Team, I'm gonna show you how to make some grilled chicken breast with a little bit of that smoke flavor in a Ninja Woodfire grill coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Welcome to my backyard. So glad you're here. Guys, we're going to do a little bit of something that's not terribly exciting, but we're going to make it taste good. That's right. We got some chicken breasts. We're going to put them on the wood fire grill. We're going to add tons of flavor. We're going to cook them right so they're nice and juicy, and it's just going to be amazing, okay? I know it's tough to get excited about chicken breasts, but new year, get a little healthy. We're going to be cutting them up for a little bit of salad, so yeah, chicken breast. Woo! All right, but that's all right. First off, I want to say thank you to our sponsor, ThermoPro, but more on them later. Guys, we are going to use just a little bit of pellets on this. It's not going to take very long for these chicken breasts, so I'm only using about a half a cup of pellets in there. Going to kind of ease the smoke on them a little bit, and then, like I said, we're going to be grilling them up anyway. So we're going to use the grill function with the wood fire technology function. So we're going to get a nice little smoke flavor. We get some nice char marks on there. We got a nice little, I don't know, what do you call it? It's a marinade. It's like a black pepper marinade, but we're gonna use that as kind of like a barbecue sauce. So we're gonna season it up with some KosmosQ Dirty Bird Hot. All right, I'll put a link down below for Cosmos site. Then once they start coming up the temperature, we're gonna start putting that marinade on there, give them a little shellacking of the black pepper sauce. So we got a lot of good flavors going on, a lot of heat. It's gonna be good. Listen, with chicken breast, you want to add as much flavor as possible. All right, we are going to be using our Temp Spike Bluetooth wireless thermometer in there just to keep track of it, but we're also going to be checking the internal temperatures as we go with our lightning instant read thermometer for ThermoPro, who just happens to be today's sponsor of this video. Check them out. I am constantly preaching the need for an instant read thermometer because I don't cook to time. People ask me all the time, how long did that cook take? Listen, we're cooking to internal temperatures. Your cooker might be different than mine, all right? We use this beautiful instant read thermometer from ThermoPro. On this one, we're gonna use our ThermoPro Lightning instant read thermometer. It has their fastest instant read technology with 1 second display. It has an auto on function. The ThermoPro Lightning has an LED display for when it's bright and sunny outside, you'll still be able to see your temperatures. It is waterproof, and the lightning's accurate up to a ½ degree. It has a sleek design. It has a rubber coating on the outside for protection in case you drop it. If you're like me, I drop my thermometers all the time. But this is a brand new tool in my ThermoPro arsenal. If you guys want to get one of these brand new ThermoPro Lightning instant read thermometers, there'll be a link down below in the video description. It is an affiliate link, but it will help out the channel and it doesn't cost you anything more. All right, so nothing left to do but get to it. Let's go ahead and get these chicken breasts prepared. We just got a couple on there and get that wood fire fired up. All right, come on back. All right, team, we're over on our little station over here. We got our 2 chicken breasts, pretty good size, looking good. There's a little bit of fat over here on this one that we're gonna kind of slice off. No need for that. The other one looks pretty good. For our seasoning, we're going with the Dirty Bird Hot. First off, we're gonna do is get this bottom side done first. This top side is our presentation side for sure. Pat that rub on. And this will have a few minutes to kind of sweat into the meat a little bit, absorb into the meat while we're waiting for our grill to come up to temperature. Then we're also gonna put our Temp Spike thermometer in one of them, just in the thick part right here. Okay. And that Temp Spike is a lifesaver, especially with the wood fire grill that does not have the probe. And then here's that little marinade I was talking about, the little black pepper marinade. I got this at the local grocery store. I don't know where you can find it, but any kind of barbecue sauce or glaze will do. So don't stress about that. All right, we got the pellets in. We're gonna turn this to the grill setting. We're gonna use the high temperature setting. I'm gonna put it for 15 minutes. I don't really think we'll need that, but I'd rather not have to reset it as we go. And then we're gonna hit the wood fire button. All right, so you can see that we're ready for that smoke in there too. We're gonna hit start, let it go through the ignition process, the preheating process, and then we'll get our chicken breast on. All right, so while this is coming up to temperature, getting through that process, getting that preheating done, I'm gonna tell you my secret on how to get a juicy chicken breast every time, and that's cooking to internal temperature. So you can ask all you want how long it's gonna take, but you never know. Your grill might be different, your altitude might be different, your temperatures might be different. So you always cook to internal temperatures. Now we're gonna use that temp spike and my lightning instant read thermometer to make sure that we get it to the right temperatures, okay? We are going to cook them to 160 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part of the breast. We're gonna pull it off the grill at that point, and then we're gonna let them rest, okay, for about 5-10 minutes, kind of let the juices reabsorb in there, let everything calm down a little bit, and then we'll be ready to slice and dice and make them good for for our salads or whatnot, okay? So if you guys are having fun thus far and you're finding some value in the content you're watching, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell next to it so you get alerts on all what we're doing here, all right? We're gonna get these chicken breasts on just a hot second, but stick around. All right, team is telling us to add the food. So what do we do when they tell us to add the food? Well, we add the food. I'm competing with gardeners right now, so you might get a little background noise. We're gonna start with the bottom side, getting those grill marks. We're gonna shut it down, get some of that smoke on it. We'll give them a flip a little bit. And like I said, we're pulling it at 160. All right, let's shut it down. Come on back. All right, team, we're up to 80 degrees. So that's my calculation, halfway to 160. Carry the 3, 2, yeah, all right, we're good. All right, let's give these a flip and we'll start getting the sear on the other side. Get those good grill marks on there. Oh, that's looking nice. Gotta love those good grill marks. Looking good, looking good. All right, we're gonna give these a little rotation in about 20 more degrees. Then we'll flip them back over and get them sauced up. I'm gonna give them a quick temp check. This one over here, we wanna make sure we got it going on. See, it's even upside down. You can read it the right way. About 100 degrees in there. Check the other one, a little bit less. 88, how quick it goes. All right, in about a minute or two. I'm gonna give these a little rotate so we get some different grill marks on there. Give them a press. All right, this one can come down here. Give them another little press. The grill marks add a bit of flavor for sure, but it's also all about presentation, the way it looks. You eat with your eyes first, all that good stuff. We'll give them a flip back over in about 30 more degrees. We're temping out at just about 115. We're gonna finish them up on the other side with a little bit of the marinade on there. All right, let's shut it down, give it a couple more minutes. We're coming up to temp real nice. Let's go get these flip back over. Take some temps to the inside. 106, 109. Like I said, we got a little bit more time to go. I'm gonna start saucing these up right quick with a little marinade. Just brush them down. Make sure you get all that good flavor. Gonna brush this side right quick, give it a flip, get the other side, and then flip it back over. Flip it right quick, just real quick. I want to make sure we get that marinade on both sides. And it'll caramelize up real nice. There's some little bit of sugars in there. Okay. I love this black pepper marinade. So much flavor. You go with that Dirty Bird hot. You know it's gonna be money in the bank. Okay, shellac the top again. You know you're on to something right here. You put this chicken on whatever salad you're working on, you'll be one happy camper for sure. You'll forget that you're eating salad. We'll shut this down and let it finish up. Be real quick. This first bad boy right here, it is temping out at 160, so we're gonna pull it off and let it rest. This one right here needs a little bit more time to relax in there, catch that heat. We'll pull it out in a hot second. Got the big boy off, and it's resting over here. This one's already done and rested. Let's go ahead and slice into it. Look at the juices on the cutting board right here. Falling apart tender. Oh, don't want to lose a piece. You know, Charlie's down there just like, hey, I like chicken too. I don't know, let's see if we can get, I don't like squeezing it. But we're dripping. Juice is loose, guys. All right. Let's go ahead and cut a little chunk off, give it a bite. But you can see all the juices on that board. The chicken is juicy. The dog is barking. It's so annoying. But we're looking pretty good over here. I put that on any salad. Actually, I'd leave off the salad. Let's take a taste test. Got a nice juicy chicken breast right there. Looking good. Dog agrees. Guys, listen, it's tough to get excited about chicken breast, right? But yeah, get excited for that. Tons and tons of flavor. All right, you know, about to be one less dog in the world here. I'm gonna call a pound on that guy. Anyway, guys, tons and tons of flavor. Got that spicy KosmosQ rub. We got that pepper marinade, black pepper marinade. It's a great little basting sauce on there. But guys, too dang good, all right? Again, you're cooking to internal temperatures. So grab that instant read down below from ThermoPro. Grab that Bluetooth from ThermoPro, that temp spike. Those two things in your arsenal, you'll never have dry protein again. All right, guys, if you want to get yourself one of these Ninja Woodfire grills, links down below. If you want to get any of the stuff I use in my videos, from the ThermoPro to the knives, the cutting boards, all that good stuff, links are all down below. If you want to become a show producer like all these awesome chicken loving people who like chicken breast on their salad, people scrolling by, I just come up with it as we go, baby. Anyway, hit that join button right next to that subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. Other than that, guys, we are done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. And again, Happy New Year. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.